Diapers can be a chore at home and stressful on outings, so I'm sharing today some tips and techniques to make diaper changes fast, simple, with less accessories to save you time and money. Hi and welcome to Little Nutshells, a channel for new mamas covering all things baby and toddler. So today I'm going to share 3 things: how to change a diaper fast, any place, anytime, and some products that are going to save you time and money. So let's jump in. Firstly, make it fast. You'll know if your child's diaper is full just by looking at it because they get quite bulgy. Or you can see on the diaper itself, the strip around the diaper will start to progressively change color. When it comes to soiled diapers, you can usually tell by the smell, but if you do want to just have a little quick peek, you can do that also. 2 tips for changing diapers fast. Firstly, have everything ready and prepared. Once your child gets older and they start rolling and start wanting to crawl away, it can actually get really difficult to change their diaper. So having everything ready to go, including all your wipes, makes it really, really easy. And the second thing is using the fresh diaper as the diaper mat. And it means then that you can change the diaper anywhere that you are. So I'll demonstrate what I mean by that, and I'm going to use this baby doll for the demonstration. We're going to put the fresh diaper down and can lift her legs or roll her to the side. If she's just had a feed, it's nice to roll them to the side. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Do it up. Roll the soiled diaper into a little packet and it's done. Throw it in the bag. You can sanitize. Always wash your hands afterwards if a basin is available, but it's not always possible, especially on outings, so it's great to carry sanitizer. So this is my go-to technique anywhere, from play dates to the park to home and outings or the car. It's a really great one whenever it's urgent, which brings me to my next tip, taking an anytime, any place mentality. And I feel like the biggest barrier to this is really the mindset of needing privacy in order to change diapers. And I think that's perfectly natural. It's instinctual to want to go to the bathroom or go to the nursery to change the diaper. But I do feel you can still achieve a great level of discretion just by turning away from people or finding a quiet corner, and you can then change your child's diaper anywhere. All you need is a flat surface. And at home, you really don't need the change table. A trick that I use is to have diaper boxes all around the house in the main spaces where we like to play, which became really handy once I had the second child and we were playing with the toddler in various rooms and I had the diapers everywhere. And it looks something like this. Having a diaper box with all your key essentials. This one's from IKEA, but you don't really need to buy anything new. You probably have shoe boxes laying around the house and they would work just as well. And lastly, keep it simple. On outings or if I'm traveling with the kids, all I have is this or this. That is literally it. And when it comes to baby accessories, especially with diapers, I feel like things are so overpriced and over-engineered and not really necessary. Forget the heavy, bulky diaper bags unless you really enjoy them and you want them for transporting your bottles or breast pump. But even then, I find a lightweight duffel bag, a regular backpack, or your large handbag would work just as fine, and you probably have one already. You also don't need branded diaper disposable bags. There are cheaper options, and you don't need a portable change mat. They can get soiled and they're hard to handle and bulky and don't really fit that well in a handbag. So basically, I discovered that doggy products are the best. And I know it's not elegant, but you can buy them in bulk. They work really well with babies, like these doggy bags and these disposable doggy mats that you can just use over and over and over again until they're soiled and then throw them away. And when it comes to transporting everything, nothing beats disposable bag. You probably already have them at home. They're washable, reusable, and it's really easy to see what you have left. I'm using this one from IKEA, but I also like the ones from Glad. I have inside 2 diapers, wipes, hand sanitizer, cream, disposable bags. As an addition, you can also add in an outfit, something small that folds up nicely, and something that you don't mind not seeing for 3 months because you might not even need it. Another addition I would put in, especially if I'm traveling, is these disposable doggy mats. And that's literally it. I have one of these in my handbag, in the pram, and in the car, so that we're always just ready to race out the door whenever needed, and I don't have to think about diaper bags. And one last tip. This approach works really well from newborn through to around 12 months old. Once your child is standing or walking, it's a great idea to upgrade the process. More on that in this little nutshell, independent toddler bathroom. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something useful from this little nutshell. Have a great day.